scoring the meat on this very thick pork chop. We've got a few of them. These are going in the oven. We're going to score all these and throw them right in.
That's a big
nice,
pork chop.
Nice fillet right there.
Yeah.
Okay, nice fillet. Look at that big old fatty thing right there. Okay.
We got more over here.
Okay, let's put a little salt on the bottom of the pan first. A little bit of salt. Okay, a little salt. I'm going to lace a little bit of this garlic down underneath these pork chops so they cook. I'm going to put a little bit of drizzle of olive oil on the bottom. Then we're going to lay out the pork chops one by one.
Yeah.
You like that, Bria? Do you think they'll all fit on there? Think so, Bria?
Yeah. And it would be cool if this flowed inside.
Yeah. Let's lay this one up. I think we'll get them all in there.
Oh.
I got them at Costco. I know some of you guys are fans of Costco. And got them on sale, actually. I hope they're good. I hope it's just not on sale because they're not good. I hope they're on sale because they are good. Okay, let's lay them all up there. Another garlic into that one. We'll put a little bit on top, a little token. And later, we're going to put some jalapenos on top and bake it in that. Okay, a little ground pepper.
So this pork chop, we marinated this last night overnight with granulated garlic, and then I sprinkled some rosemary in here and just a little tiny sprinkle of soy sauce, and that's it. That's overnight, and smells really good right now and ready to bake.
How long are you going to bake it for?
We're gonna bake it 350 degrees and for 45 minutes.
But we're going to check it so that we don't overcook it.
Yeah, we're gonna keep checking it.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna wrap this pork chop to stay it so that it's not dry, to make it tender and juicy. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, and ready to put it in. There you go. Cover it up, and we're gonna check it later. So now I'm gonna show you how I prepare my jalapeno. See, I cut this and I take out the seeds to keep it not so spicy, because if you leave the seeds on, it's very spicy and we want it just mild. So here we go. I'm gonna put some olive oil in here like that. I'm gonna put a tiny bit soy sauce, granulated garlic. You can put extra on this one. It's really good. We love jalapenos and it's healthy for you too. And I'm gonna put a tiny bit water. That's it. So I'm gonna start it over here. And this is for the pork chop later on. So I'm gonna take the pork chop out and I'm gonna put some goodies to it. Let's go.
But that's hot.
Very hot. I'm gonna careful. Careful the cooler. That's really good, huh?
Ooh, that smells really good.
I smell garlic. That's a lot of garlic. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the edges over here. This one is not so spicy.
Once they cook down, it's a lot cooler, not so spicy.
This is pork chop with a lot of jalapenos. And I'm gonna add some leftover of this marinated rosemary and soy sauce. There's a tiny bit over here. I smell the rosemary too.
Yeah. What is this?
Sure you got enough jalapenos?
Oh my god. I love jalapenos. Let's go cover it up.
Dun, 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 dun.
You gonna help mommy cook someday, Brianna?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put it back.
25 more minutes?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so here's our finished pork chop for tonight with jalapeno, garlic, onions, and all the goodies. I'm gonna give you some
Little jalapenos on the side or on top?
jalapenos and garlic,
Yeah.
onions, more.
Yeah, a little scoop of onion. That's enough jalapeno. Let
I
those
give
cook
you some
down.
onion.
Yep. All right,
There you go.
that's my dinner tonight.
Okay. John's gonna do the taste.
Okay, let's give it a try. I want to let it cool down a little bit and rest. A little bit, you know?
It's already resting for 5 minutes.
How's the garlic? That's pretty tender. Very good jalapeno.
Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!